second basketball game for this afternoon. We have the SX7 versus Team Bayak versus Team Latasan. Our second game for this afternoon. Congratulations. Loser and also the winner. Okay, thank you.
Pantay ka sa dalo. Oh, diyan na. Okay na. The record, hindi ako ni. Wala ka stop. Wala pa na stop. Hindi rin yun, okay na sila oh.
Okay, players, player four, proceed to your bench and prepare yourself. Please, go your accessories. Aiden, Masilas, Pipas, Obulitas, and packing research player. This is the running.
Kadulan is John Gab, oh.
Yang kamu, yang kira guru. Record na ba ni? Record na.
Stop siguro, stop. Stop.
Ang murag full game niya ma'am kay? Oh, gina full game ni niya. Yang pang YouTube. Upload na sa YouTube ma'am.
Senior number 7, Golden Sector. Jersey number 00, Mr. Villasolo. Jersey number 22, Mr. Magallaga. Jersey number 27, Mr. Cuto. Jersey number 4, Mr. Pato. And jersey number 16, Mr. Batman. Team Los Angeles, first round to the center. Jersey number 16, Mr. Cunningham. Jersey number 11, Mr. Caputo. Jersey number 31, Mr. Capero. Jersey number 23, Mr. Ibanez. And jersey number 13, Mr. Cuco.
Recording ko diri.
Oh, mo ni? Ah,
Dula di taga Domingo.
oh.
Record ang dula ba? Sila
mali.
yapod lang mo.
Gani, oh.
Sa dili ka dula.
Oh.
Sila ka mo.
Oh.
Ay, gani ko. Mo ka
Ha?
dula gani.
Kapoy ko mo, nagdagan ni ganito.
Ah, dali.
Oo.
Kapan?
Go, Joshua. Number, ipalikot na si Joshua. Palikot ko. I-assign mo siya kung ano napasan. The battle game between Bayas versus Team Lapasan Robbers. Ball position to Team Bayas. Pass to the serving Silva. Looking for Slovenia. Pass to just number 19. The third again. Yes, selected pass by Mr. Magallaga. Just number 23. Looking for Slovenia. Pass to Mr. Alina. 15 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Ball position to Team Bayas. Remaining time 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Mr. Villasolo. Tumitulungan. Yes, selected points by Mr. Villasolo. Mr. Caputo. Passing sa area ng Mr. Capero. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mr. Magallaga. To just number 23. Yes, selected points by just number 19 Ryder. to Mr. Moore. Yes, 2 points. The ringside volleyball to Lumpy. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. To Mr. Minnesota. No good. By Mr. Gakuko. Gakuko dari Mr. 27. Pass to Mr. 21. Mr. Lapena to Mr. Kuko. No good. By Mr. Lapena. It's the Rocket Pirates and Boston team. Yeah. Ringside volleyball for 5 seconds. Mr. Otto on the drive with the personal player. Good to Mr. Cunningham. Pass to Minnesota. 15 seconds to shoot. Yes, 2 points by jersey number 19. Jersey number 19 on the drive. Pass to Mr. Cunningham. Again on the shoot. No good. Team number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. To Mr. Lapena. Warning for sportsmanship, warning for jersey number 27, Mr. Lupo. Lapat Serbi. Bukan, nomor Mr. 19, Rocco Susana. Seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Yes, 3 Official 22 against seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound sa tubo. Passing sa kapal. Back to the moment. Let's begin with the second period. Official score 26 against 9 in favor of Team Villa. Ball position to Team Villa. To James. Rebound to number 13. Pass to Mr. Anderson. Mr. And there's now foul jersey number 15. 6 Mr. Anderson. Mr. Anderson with the first personal foul and first team foul. Team Villa. La pena a su juego. Pasa a ser la línea. 15 seconds. Sigue el juego. And there's foul. Jersey number 28, Mr. Navarro. Ball Navarro. With the first person to foul the second team foul, Team Villa. Stepping on board and single position. The race time 6 minutes and 35 seconds. To Apacho. To jersey number 8. 15 seconds to shoot. To Robert. To Capel. Moving to Supreme. Single position. La pena hacia el gol. Pass to Mr. Lee. To Mr. Lee. 15 seconds to shoot. second personal foul, Mr. Castro. Mr. Bonoto, looking for Slovenia. There's a foul, foul, jersey number, substitution net, jersey number 6 runner, jersey number 16. Third personal foul, penalty.
Sobra din, basta okay na ka.
Mr. Castro,
Oh, sobra din, basta okay na ka.
personal foul number, and 1 point, by jersey number 16. The second two points off by jersey number 16, Mr. Arena. The red time, 7.5 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Pass to Mr. Bonoto. And there's a foul by jersey number 8, Mr. Bonoto. Mr. Gunn, first person foul on penalty. The second will come from jersey number 24. Again, by jersey number 4. 23. Jersey number 23 will be first substitution net. So, Lavita out, in, out, jersey number 11, Mr. Janelle. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 20. Mr. Navarro, dropping 15 seconds to shoot. Ball position 16, Rapasan Brothers. It's the running violation ball position 16. Confusion. Ball for Jim.
Sali sa ilalong. Ito, sikpan, panto mo. Kamera po rapid daw. First free penalty, Los Angeles.
to Cabano. After the shoot, no good. Sir Jack, Raise up 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 2 minutes and 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Single Cabano. No pass to Mr. Taguno. To Alvina. No good. To Cabano. Pass to Joshua Alcil. To Matulan. No good. Dibawa ng Sutuko. Kaya na si Cabano. Pass to jersey number 23. Jersey number 23. And this is Paul jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 is first on the foul and first team out. Substitution. Jersey number 2, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. One pass to Mr. Taguno.
Kiray!
15 seconds to shoot. No good. Dibawa ng Mr. Tuco. Pass to jersey number 23, Mr. Kim Paez.
Tulo!
To Alvina Kim Paez. To Bono. The jersey number 23. For the quarter. The rain time 1 minute and 5 seconds. 1 minute. That's 22 seconds. 15 seconds to rain time. 15 seconds to shoot. And there's a foul, jersey number 15, Mr. Erica. Mr. Erica on the first person foul penalty. The rain time 45 seconds. In favor of the player.
Apas mo. Kaya pa na.
Half court, half court. 1, 2, 3. Jersey number 23 ang last. Jersey number 23. Let's begin for the third quarter. Official score 32-20. Team Bayan. Back to the ball now, players.
Balot sila, 5.
Nagpapagawa sa third quarter. Official score 32-20. Team Bayan. Dakogo pass to Mr. Lapera. Looking for Sophia at the shoot. Yes, that's a really points for Jesse number 31. Mr. John Lapera. 15 seconds to shoot. So Mr. John Rapero, 15 seconds to shoot. So Mr. Dakogo, 10 seconds to shoot.
Nice one!
To the score. Yes, connecting balls by Mr. Dakogo. No good. See. Yes, yes, 2 balls for Mr. Dakogo.
Bawi na!
Remaining time is 30 seconds. Video soccer versus Rania. See by Mr. Rania. Yes, yes, 2 balls for Mr. Rania.
Patalong!
15 seconds to shoot.
Go, Kuya Joel!
Sabay na!
Good luck, Substitution. Substitution.
Oh, eh.
We'll see you number 3. Number 3. Number 2. To additional 21. Pass substitution. Number 19. Jersey number 19. Pass to Mr. Villas Soto. Villas Soto.
Bawi, bawi.
Eh, balog ba? Paano ba? Eh, pizza lang. Wesley.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. The first 2 points by Mr. Romero. 36 34. 15 seconds to shoot.
Paula. Nice one.
Guard, 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 guard.
Ba, Wesley, go. Papato na bayan.
Tabla na.
Go, Wesley.
Ngayon lang ba? Apas ba? Distributor na daw. Ha? Distributor na daw.
Pasa ba?
Kunin niya.
Yes, correct. 1 point for the first shot by Mr. Villas Soto. Yes, correct. 2 points by Mr. Villas Soto. Remaining time, remaining 5.8 seconds. Mr. Capello. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Miguel, ball is out to Villas Soto. Villas Soto taking it inside 15 seconds to shoot.
Eh, balog, Wes, papa ko.
Masipit kita. 15 seconds to shoot. Ball position is 15. Yeah. Remaining time 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 21-39. 3.8 by team. Yeah. 2 rather. 2. Before the ball, the shot. Sa inyo ang shot.
Eh, balik, balik, babalik!
So one ball position to team player. Race time 1 minute and 14 seconds. 1 minute and 14 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Foul just number 13. Mr. Tupo. Mr. Tupo committed first personal foul and 13 foul. Team Pasok Rovers. Race time 1 minute and 25 seconds. Yes, sir. One point for Mr. Minnesota. Mr. Minnesota on the ground. Moving for Sophia. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Minnesota. Foul jersey number 16, Mr. Cunningham. Mr. Cunningham with the first personal foul and warning for penalty. Team Pasok Rovers. Race time 1 minute and 5 seconds. Mr. Earl passes to Mr. 19. And there's a call, foul jersey number 13. On penalty. Team Pasok on penalty. Jersey number 13 making second personal foul on penalty. Yes, sir. Team on point by jersey number 13. 46-30. Six Ryan. Ball position to the team, Pasok Rovers. Race time 54 seconds. Josh, 49-39. Si Kanang jersey 31 na. On time na. Logan, Steve Johnny, and there's a call. Foul jersey number 13 again. Jersey number 13 with the third person foul on penalty. Thirty-six seconds to make time. Yes, sir. Race time 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. And there's a foul. It's surrounding violation. Race time 20 seconds. Substitution left. Josh. Oh. 10 seconds. 5 Third quarter, official score 58-39 in favor of Team Baya.
Apas na sweater. Ano lang? Unsi mo na.
Official score 58-39 in favor of Team Baya. Team Baya, ball position. Being a star, passing to Curtis Kupapana. Naiwan ni Mr. Bakuko. Balik na Mr. Pass to Mr. Toto, back to Mr. Bakuko. No way. Steal, this is number 3. Your 72 points by jersey number 23. 15 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. It's ball dribble violation. Ball position is a team, Lapasan Raptors. Keep Hannes. Believers to pay 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Steal, Mr. Aguirre. Steal to Mr. Aguirre. Shot clock violation. 5 clock. Mr. Venezuela, to jersey number 23. 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mr. Kuto. To jersey number 4. C. To Mr. Kuto. Jersey number 2 points for jersey number Mr. Kuto. Jersey number 24, Mr. Kukunto. Looking for Superior, 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Steve, jersey number 23. No good, Steve. Yes, we got 2 points by Mr. Tuco. Erase that last 6 minutes. Mr. Venezuela, looking to face China. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Yes, to the crowd. The race at 35 seconds. And this communication ball position to Team Baya. The race at 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Jersey number 4, Dennis again. To jersey number 6, Mr. Venezuela. 15 seconds to shoot. Yes, so that's it, points. The race out last 5 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. Arena to be in second. Pass to Mr. Kupapana. Yes, so that's it, points by Mr. Kupapana. The race out points at 45 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. And there's call foul jersey substitution. Foul jersey number 15, Mr. Levita, with first personal foul and first team penalty. Yeah. Jersey number 15, Mr. Larita, 2 personnel foul. Four minutes and 25. Noted, Mr. Dacubo pasa Mr. Abinade. Abinade, kumulituwa. And noted, Jersey number 15, and there's foul, Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, substitution threat. Jersey number 11, committed second personal foul and first team foul, Team Wilson Rovers. For example, that's 4 minutes, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. To begin Soto, that's 2 points by Mr. David Soto. To Mr. Dacubo! To Mr. Cabano, remains at 3 minutes and 45 seconds. To Mr. Nagin, Nobel by Mr. Cabano, 3 minutes and 30. To Mr. Dacubo, yes, the next 2 points. Remains at 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Foul, Jersey number 31, committed third personal foul and second team foul, Team Wilson Rovers. Remaining time 3 minutes and 17 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Steve against number 23. Yes, the next 2 points. Remaining time 2 minutes and 55 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Yes, the next 2 points by Mr. David Soto. 2 minutes and 40. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 25. And tonight is substitution.
Yang tail.
2 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Tawag pa niya, guys. Ano tawag pa niya?
Yes, the next 2 points for Jersey number 23. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Doy, doy.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. See you again. Pass to Mr. Abinade. Mr. Acacio to Mr. Uto, to Mr. Cabano. Nobel, to Mr. Uto, to Mr. Abinade. Joaquin Lopez, to Mr. 23. Yes, the next 2 points. Release at 1 minute and 10 seconds. Release at last 62 seconds. Substitution. Release at last 62
Bawal
seconds.
na kagbal na.
62 seconds.
Ano naman itong hands down niya?
55 seconds. 15 seconds. 25 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 35 seconds. 10 seconds left. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. That's it for the final quarter. Official score is 64-50. Congratulations, team. Back. Both teams, pictures, tapi lang po ka. Both teams, pictures. Pictures together with Pokal and also the referee. Referee. Yes, referee pictures.
Bibasuyo na ko. Gano'n na ako. Kaya pagkumpong man ito. Abi na ko upan ba? Abi na ko kaya na ba?
Bakson,